Welcome to MindLight. Today we explore a strange paradox where trying harder actually makes us fail, while letting go brings success. Imagine you are trying to catch a cat. If you run after it, the animal will almost certainly run away from you. The harder you chase, the faster it flees. Your desperate energy creates a barrier between you and the thing you want. But if you simply sit down, relax, and focus on something else, the cat may eventually return to your side voluntarily. This simple interaction illustrates a profound universal mechanism. When we stop grasping for control, the world often delivers what we desire. This is the law of reversed effort. It suggests that the more we desire something, the more it eludes our grasp. Writer Aldous Huxley famously described this phenomenon. He believed that proficiency is only achieved when we combine relaxation with our activity. Think of a novice archer. He tries so hard to hit the target that his tension causes the arrow to miss. His conscious desire to succeed interferes with his physical ability. His mind is too loud, preventing his body from performing naturally. Contrast this with the master. He does not strain. He shoots with a state of relaxed awareness, almost without conscious effort. This paradox applies to almost every aspect of our lives. The harder we try with our conscious will, the less we achieve. Consider the common struggle of insomnia. The more you grit your teeth and demand rest, the more awake you become. You tell yourself, you must sleep now. But this command creates tension, and tension is the exact opposite of what sleep requires. Sleep is a shy guest. It only arrives when you stop paying attention to it and surrender your need for control. By accepting wakefulness, you remove the pressure. Suddenly, without any effort at all, you find yourself drifting into a deep slumber. This applies to romance and social life too. Desperation repels people, acting like a strong invisible force field pushing them away. When you need approval too badly, you signal that you lack value. This neediness is uncomfortable for everyone around you to witness. However, a sense of independence and mystery draws people in. When you are content with yourself, you become a magnet. By not trying to force a connection, you create the space for a connection to happen naturally and authentically on its own. Psychiatrist Viktor Frankl called this hyperintention. He observed that fearing a specific outcome often causes that exact thing to happen. Take the example of a stutterer. The more he fears stuttering and tries to suppress it, the worse his speech becomes. His focus on the problem magnifies the problem. He is caught in a feedback loop where his anxiety fuels his failure. Frankl suggested a strange cure. We should intentionally wish for the very thing we fear, breaking the cycle of anxiety immediately. If the stutterer tries to stutter on purpose, he finds he cannot do it. The pressure is gone, and speech flows. This is the power of surrender. By embracing the worst-case scenario, you disarm the fear that was paralyzing your ability to act. We must understand the limits of our conscious mind. It is great for analyzing, but terrible for executing complex, fluid actions. Think about driving a car. When you first learned, you had to think about every pedal and mirror. It was exhausting. But now, you drive without thinking. Your unconscious mind handles the complexity, allowing you to react faster than your thoughts ever could. If a pianist stops to think about where each finger should go next, the music stops. The flow is instantly broken. The conscious mind is a bottleneck. True mastery happens when we step out of our own way and let the body take over. In Taoism, this state is called Wu Wei, or effortless action. It is not passivity, but action perfectly aligned with nature. Like a surfer riding a wave, you do not fight the water. You move with it, using its energy as your own. When you are in this state, known as flow, time seems to vanish. You are not doing the action happens through you. This is the pinnacle of human performance. It is a state of being where the separation between the actor and the act disappears. The poet Charles Bukowski had a simple epitaph on his tombstone: "Don't try." It is not about laziness, but about ceasing forced effort. He didn't mean do nothing. He meant, don't try to be a writer, just write. Don't try to be cool, just be. The paradox is everywhere. Trying to be happy makes you miserable. Trying to be cool makes you look foolish and insecure. So, how do we apply this? We must find the middle way. We put in the effort to learn and prepare. You must practice the scales, drill the movements, and study the books. The conscious mind is essential for this training phase. But when the moment comes to perform, to live, or to create, you must throw away the manual and just let go. Trust that your training is there. Trust that your subconscious knows what to do. Step back and watch the magic unfold. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. The grass grows without trying to grow. The earth spins without trying to spin. You are part of this nature. You are not a machine that needs to be forced. You are a living, flowing process. Stop fighting the current of your own life. Stop strangling your potential with excessive control. Breathe and let the current carry you. If you are stuck on a problem, walk away. The answer often comes when you are washing dishes or taking a shower. This is your subconscious delivering the answer once your conscious mind has finally shut up and given it some space to work. The law of reversed effort is the key to unlocking your full potential. It is the art of achieving more by doing less. Like a sailor, you cannot control the wind, but you can adjust your sails. You work with the forces, not against them. Balance is not a rigid state. It is a constant, gentle adjustment. It requires sensitivity, not brute force or rigid control. Remember when you learned to ride a bike? The moment you stopped trembling with fear was the moment you started riding. Let your actions be like that drop of water. Simple, direct, and without the interference of doubt or excessive mental noise. Have you ever tried to remember a name, but it wouldn't come? It's right on the tip of your tongue. The moment you stopped forcing your memory, the name popped up. Your brain works best when it is not being strangled. Life creates knots. Pulling tight only makes them harder. Relaxing the tension allows you to see how to untie them. Before a big event, tell yourself, I have prepared. I am ready. Now I will just be myself and see what happens. This attitude removes the smell of desperation. It shows confidence. It shows that you are not dependent on the outcome. Be like the eagle. It does not flap furiously all the time. It finds the thermal currents and lets them lift it higher. Your life is your art. Do not ruin it by overthinking every stroke. Allow the ink to flow. Allow mistakes to become features. When you align with the law of reversed effort, synchronicities start to appear. Things just start falling into place for you. So today, I challenge you. Identify one area where you are trying too hard. One area where you are forcing things. Is it love, success, sleep, creativity? Whatever it is, try the opposite approach. Stop chasing. Stop forcing. Just let go. Give yourself permission to stop trying so hard. Trust that you are enough. Trust that the universe has your back. The universe operates on the principle of least effort. Stars do not struggle to shine. They just burn. You should too. Your growth should be like a flower blooming. It is an internal pressure releasing naturally, not an external force pulling petals open. Success tastes sweeter when it comes from a place of peace, rather than a place of exhaustion and burnout. Let your efforts flow like the river into the sea. Surrender your small ego to the greater intelligence of life itself. This is the secret of the masters. This is the wisdom of the ages. Do less, but achieve more. Don't try, just As we conclude, remember that letting go is not giving up. It is the highest form of trust in yourself. Close the book on your anxiety. Stop writing scripts for a future that hasn't happened. Live fully in this present moment. The cat has returned. The sleep has arrived. The words have been spoken. Everything you needed was already here all along. Take a deep breath. Release the tension in your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Feel the weight lifting off your spirit. Embrace the paradox. Walk the path of least resistance. Find your flow and watch how the world opens up for you. If this video helped you find some peace, please share it with someone who is trying too hard right now. Don't forget to subscribe to MindLight for more insights into the human mind and the mysteries of our existence. Thank you for watching MindLight. Remember to breathe, let go of the struggle, and allow the universe to come to you.